Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, how are you today? I hope all of you are in a good condition, happy and healthy. Now we are going to learn English for 6th grade. Let's go! Animals around us. Hewan-hewan di sekitar kita. Snail, parrot, buffalo, tortoise, swan, grasshopper, mosquito, ant, mouse, spider, dove, frog. Okay, let's make a simple conversation to ask and to give information about animals. Ayo kita membuat percakapan sederhana untuk menanyakan dan memberi informasi tentang hewan. Is it an ant? No, it is not. Do you think an ant eats sweet? Yes, I think so. This is a parrot. It eats seed. It has 2 wings to fly. Parrot has beautiful and bright feather. It has curved beak. Parrot can sing and talk like human.